How to change your primary currency on Metamask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your primary currency on Metamask fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to your Metamask like this, and now go here to the top and click on this profile picture. After that, you need to go down and choose the settings option right here down below, and it will take you to this page. On this page, make sure you are on the general page. Now you will find the primary currency option. You can change from Ethereum to fiat like this. It's very easy and easy to use. As you can see, it's changed. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.